Hello and welcome to another episode of Sounds of Nature with Matt. I'm Matt. You might be wondering where my pull is. Well, I recently got the latest in pull-based weaponry. Check it out. Yep, she's a beauty, isn't she?
Oh my god. Is that it?
It's so heavy. Oh my
Let me
god.
try. No, I'm filming.
Oh my god, keep the camera on, zoom in on that.
What happened?
Where is it?
It looped itself
Dude.
around that.
Epic! Wow! 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 Latest in pull-based technology.
Weapon.
It's blinking. Are you filming?
Yes, that means...
The latest in pull-based weaponry. Look at that. Look at that.
As God is his
Look at
witness, he actually did that.
Look at that. All right.
Wow.
Let's do it again.